So there she is. I'll do a quick little walk around so you can see the side cover and bags that I threw on there. Wanted to see what they looked like. I just couldn't wait, as you can imagine. Got your CVO rear end here. Your sweet 4.5-inch pipe sticking out the ass. Looking good. You guys are picking up this metal flake in this bike or not? Face looking nice. Told you, you got this crazy metal flake in the red and black that just goes absolutely ballistic out in the sun. It sparkles like a jewel. But I am totally digging the side cover so far. I can't wait to get this front fairing and tank on to wrap this up. But if you've been watching this series, man, new air cleaner, floorboards, shifter, brake pedal rather, rear passenger peg, fatty front end, flush mount axle. We also cleaned up this front end and eliminated the dual disc braking system and opted for a 13-inch rotor with a 6-piston caliper on the opposite side. Got the chin spoiler on, but check out that rim, guys. So like I said, we're gonna get this fairing on and throw the tank and seats on and wrap it up, fire it up, ride it, give it away, guys. So please subscribe, like, share, comment. You guys know what to do. Please help me by supporting me by doing these things. Let's get to this front fairing, guys.